Hi, crafty friends. Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on YouTube. Today, I am unboxing the February 2026 Color Kits from Shimmerz Paints. So let's take a look at everything that's included in the kit. You can see here we have such a fun, gorgeous Valentine theme. I'm going to show you each of these items one at a time so we can get a feel for what's in the kit. It also comes with the paint kit, which you see here. Now you'll have to check out the website because you can get the complete kit, which is everything, the paint collection, or you can even just get the paper by itself. So here's the first pattern paper. We have the stripes on one side and then the light pink polka dots on the other. Here we've got a cute wavy frame and a little envelope down there in the corner. That's really cute. Ooh, I love this one. Lots and lots of hearts here. Now this is a 12 by 12 pattern paper collection. Here's some cute little cupcakes, lots and lots of cupcakes here. And then we've got like this, almost like a quilted design in yellow on the back. Here we've got this pattern here in that light pink with some hearts and then the words love, 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 love all over. I love that one. That's kind of funny. I love that one. This one, we've got some little doodle designs. That would be fun to cut apart. Ooh, and then on the back, we've got all these cute little, like those little candy hearts. So that's super cute. Here we've got a mint green floral print. And then on the back, oh, I love this. This might be my favorite paper. This has a really pretty heart frame around the edges. I can't wait to use this one. So pretty. And then we've got a chevron pattern in this golden yellow color. And then on the back, a wavy pink pattern. So pretty. And then the next paper, this is chocolate covered strawberries. And this reminds me, one time I was like watching what I was eating, eating low calorie, and Tatum had made chocolate covered strawberries. And she only gave me one. Like, she brought me a plate with one on it. And she's like, Happy Valentine's Day. I'll never forget that. So fun. And then there's a floral print on the back. Then we've got this right here. Super cute. And then on the back, ooh, lots and lots of hearts. I'll probably use that side. So that's a look at the 12 by 12 pattern papers. Let's take a look at everything else that's included in the kit. You also receive a coloring sheet. So you can paint these up with your paints, or if you can paint them with markers and then fussy cut them out. So these are always fun to play with. And I don't know what this is made out of, but like the black lines show through when you paint. So it's really fun. And then this is my favorite. These are the enamel or epoxy dots. And, some people call them flare, epoxy flare. So we've got 3 here for Valentine's. I love that. Okay, and then also included in the kit this month, we have this Simple Stories Love stencil. So that'll be fun to use. And then we also have an entire pack of ephemera. So let me get out one of my stack and sort trays here and go through the ephemera so you can see all the cute little icons that are included. Now, while I'm pulling out this ephemera, if you do decide to make a purchase on the Shimmerz Paints website, which I'll leave it linked down below, you can add my name, Melissa Minor, to the notes section of your order, and Shimmerz will send you a free paint. And you can add my name to every order you place, and each time you'll receive another free paint. You can also subscribe to the Shimmerz Paints color kits, so you can pick out how you want your collection delivered to you, and you can sign up and receive all of this in your mailbox every month. You can just get the paint collection, the paper collection, the complete collection. You can also get any of those collections with the added on bonus bundle, which I will show you in just a moment. So you simply just select which products that you want to subscribe, and then you'll be billed every month automatically through their PayPal system. And so that's a new way of them processing your payment. So we're super excited about that. So this is the kit pricing that's listed on the website includes the USA domestic shipping, but they do have international shipping as well in case you're interested. All right, so I have almost finished flipping through these embellishments, and they are super cute. Now here's a look at the bonus bundle. So the bonus bundle includes a package of sequins, and you can just purchase the bonus bundle as well individually. And it also comes with a paint, and this month the paint that it comes with is called On the Brink of Pink. Love the names, Shimmerz. So it's a Shimmerz paint. So that's really, really pretty. All right, let's go ahead and swatch all the paint colors so you can see what is included. So what I like to do is take these 2x2. I cut my mixed media cardstock into 2x2 squares, and then I punch a hole so I can place them on a ring for a swatch ring. So I'm swatching this first color here. This is On the Brink of Pink Shimmerz. This one's in the bonus bundle. So this is mixed media cardstock. So I like to test my paints on the mixed media cardstock so that I can see what it's going to look like, because that's usually what I paint on. This next color here is called Mint Condition, and this is a Shimmerz, and you can see with the Shimmerz, it has a really pretty shimmer and shine. It's really shiny. So that's the Shimmerz. I'm going to spray a little bit of water in these couple inklings over here so they can start setting up. The next color I have here is a colorings, and it's called a Bright Fuchsia. Now with the colorings, there isn't any shimmer and shine in these. These are more just like a flat watercolor. Oh my goodness, this is the prettiest color I've ever seen. I love this one. Okay, new favorite right there. This next color is a Vibes, and it's called Glorious Day. Now, a Vibes has shimmer in it, so it looks like it almost has like little hints of shimmer, like a glitter almost, when you look at it once it dries. Now, it's really hard to pick up how gorgeous these are on camera. I wish the camera showed it better, but it just doesn't. But you'll have to trust me, in person, these are stunning. All right, this next color here, this is in Inklings. Now, the Inklings come in these little paint pans, and I'll show you how I store those in just a moment. You add a little water to activate them. This one's called Pistachio. So in Inklings is really super shiny. And then this last color here, this is also in Inklings, and this is called Chocolate and Diamonds. Ooh, that really does look like chocolate. So pretty. So that's a look at all the colors included in the colors kits along with the bonus bundle. Now while those are drying, I want to show you this little paint pan that I store my paint trays in. I picked this up on Amazon, so I will leave it linked down below in the description box. And what I do is I like this tray because it has like a magnetic piece that comes with it. And I take a Sharpie and I write, like for these, I wrote an I for Inklings, and then I write the name of the color on the side. So I always swatch all of my colors, and then I write the names on the side so I know which ones they are. So you can see here, there's the I for Inklings, and then I think that one was from last month, Loose Lip Pink Ships or something. The names are so fun. Ooh, I had to see what color this was. That one's really pretty. All right, so I will go ahead and put these away. And that is a look at everything that's included in the Shimmerz Paints Color Kits this month. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. Be sure to hit that subscribe or that notify bell button so that you'll be notified once I post my videos of what I create this month. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!